1 minute, 1 anime. Today features Kyokai no Kanata. Kung gusto mo yung anime na may halong action, romance at konting comedy na may emotional damage, this one's for you. The story follows with Mirai Kuriyama, a spirit world warrior na may rare ability to manipulate blood as a weapon. Medyo awkward siya pero deadly. And she meet Akihito, isang Hakyomo na technically immortal. From a supposed mission to kill him, naging unexpected connection. What I love about this anime, solid na fight scene, grabe yung animation. Thank you Kyoto Animation. Emotional moments na hindi mo ini-expect. Cute and funny character interaction. At saka aesthetic visual plus beautiful OST. Pero heads up lang, medyo confusing sa simula. Kailangan mo talagang mag-pay attention sa world building. But once it hits hard. Overall rating is 8.5 out of 10. Short but impactful, hindi lang siya about monster, it's about accepting yourself and facing your inner demons. See you tomorrow for another 1 minute, 1 anime. Bye!